So clear the water is. Look at the water.
Satyajit, what do you think of upcoming Satyajit movie you're going to see?
Chari Mati. किसी ने उसके चेहरे को ठक 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 कर दिया. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about exploring Vancouver downtown. Coming for this trip, I had told my sister to book these Vancouver Film Festival tickets, which are for today and tomorrow. So we're gonna go for that. We have a evening show. Today's movie which we're gonna watch is by a renowned filmmaker called Satyajit Ray. And coincidentally, today is the 27th of September here, and the movie which we're going to see, it was also released in 27th September, I think 1963 or 73, something like that. But yeah, super excited to take y'all along with me for this exciting day today. So this is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing this black top with this tennis skirt and with flare fur stockings, and this is the outfit of the day. We are going to go to Vancouver downtown, Gastown and Yaletown, and this is what the view outside is. The weather is so good today, so sunny. I've applied my sunscreen, everything is done. Yeah, I'm very excited for today's exploration day. I just used these for the first time and they're insane. I'll tell you why, because I can see so far away and this is blowing my mind. This is so cool. I'll show you what it's showing me, what I can see and from till where. It's like ऐसे मेरे नज़रों के सामने ना ऐसा दिख रहा है ये. I'll just show you what I can see from my binoculars. So from my binoculars I can see that very clearly, like the Whole Foods building. It's like it's right here, ऐसा लगता है. Then मैं वहाँ पे कौन जा रहा है पेट्रोल पंप के उधर, वो सब देख सकती हूँ. It's extremely cool. So I'm extremely happy using a binoculars for the first time. Wow, this is so cool. I can see myself as well, but very zoomed in. Like I can see my skin through this. Wow, I can see those mountains very clearly now. Like, oh my god, wow. So those mountains I can see so clearly from the binoculars. It's insane. So my sister told me these binoculars also have like a story. It's Jiju's Tata's binoculars, so it's like treasure for him. So I have to take very good care of these because I'm gonna take these along with our exploration day. So Didi has told me to take extreme care of it, and I plan to do so because I love legacies, I love traditions, rituals, and I respect that a lot. So knowing that this is Sati's Tata's, Tata means Nana, like grandfather. So knowing that this is Sati's grandfather's binoculars, and from that till this age they've been using this, it's been kept so safely and it works amazingly. It's just, there's history in this binoculars, dude. It's so cool.
A few moments later.
So I just made like a sandwich, spinach, pesto, hummus, cucumber, cherry tomato sandwich with cheddar cheese. And it's okay. I think I should make like an avocado bread kind of a plating rather than this. This gets messy. This will not, I think. This is what my pesto bread looks like. Pesto hummus bread. I've just topped it up with cherry tomatoes and some cheddar cheese.
A little while later.
Now we're going to Vancouver downtown by train, and then we're going to meet then we're going to meet Fatty over there, and then go to Vancouver Film Festival's first film which we have booked. That's the plan. Let's go. Took the subway, or they call it the SkyTrain here, to the waterfront, and now we're going to the waterfront. So yeah, we are here at the waterfront now, and this is what the waterfront area looks like. And this is our classic blue jacket, blue jeans, Jiju. Wow, this is so pretty. Wow, this is so pretty. It's more pretty. So this building is that one. That. There's Taylor Swift music playing there. Let's go out of style. Out of style, you got that daydream working.
Which game is it?
This place has amazing music, so visit it. The place behind me is playing Taylor Swift music since a while, and I'm loving it. So do check it out if you're in Vancouver. बेचारी मैटी, किसी ने उसके चेहरे को ठक 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 कर दिया. Who hated you, bro? You were born in what? 1898. Punarjanam vibes. So you can see Lionsgate Bridge from here, which is that green one, where we will go, I think, 2 days. After 2 days. We are here at the Olympic Cauldron, Olympic sculpture thingy. have come, and we also walked the sea wall which was behind me, and now we're going to go towards the sea wall where there's some seating, because we've brought some tiffin and snacks and everything, so we're gonna have a small picnic here. This is so pretty. Now we're going upwards. Look at that. Look at that, this is so pretty. Look at this gorgeous purple flowers and the fall trees there. It looks so surreal that there are this nature fall trees and then there's this metropolitan beautiful looking buildings as well. Manpower, God power. Wow. Now we're going down to this park, which is my sister's choice. Now we're walking towards the park, and this is my sister doing something in her sports watch thingy. Right out of a storybook is how the view looks here. This park is also so pretty. Look at this park. Very pretty. I think I've said very pretty in this entire trip so many times, because everything is pretty, gorgeous, all the adjectives there. And मेरे दिमाग में तो pretty ही आता है सबसे पहले. So hence I think you all will be hearing a lot of this is pretty, this is pretty. This is our food, the sandwich. And this is the view. Picnic spot. Yay! Picnic! Didi picnic! Picnic, picnic! So right now actually we were at the Harbour Green Park. And this is the Cole Harbour. Like entire thing is called that only, but yeah, this was the Harbour Green Park. Look at the ships. Wow.
A few moments later.
Gorgeous, beautiful, big fall tree. Wow. And this view. Wow. This is Didi. Hello. And we are at the Cole Harbour walking. Just walking. It's 25 kilometers and we might have walked around 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers.
Yeah, it's the sea wall.
Yeah.
We will not complete 25 kilometers today for sure.
Definitely.
Maybe 4 or 5.
Didi is walking on the water bender. Skipping करके आना जैसे हम बचपन में करते थे skipping.
मेरे हाथ में जब नहीं होगा ना
Look at this view. I mean, this here is amazing. The way everything looks is so good. So this is Sati's favorite street. What is the street's name?
Alberni. I think it's Alberni.
I think it's Alberni Street according to them. So we're walking here. It's a gorgeous street. So this street's name is called Bayshore Drive and not Alberni Street. But look how gorgeous this looks. Cool car which is opened up, and there's also this vintage car there. We're gonna come here for gelato soon. Going to English Bay, which is like a beach during winter time. So pretty. So we are near English Bay Beach, and in front of me is the laughing statue which I wanted to go. Since I had seen Sati and Didi's pictures over here, I really wanted to come here. So I'm right here at the laughing statue. Look! So pretty! And the beach here. I'm at the English Bay beach and this is what the view looks like. We are here for the sunset and even my sister is doing the laughing statue thing now. Ooh, geese. Hi Seagull. Hi. So cool and glow. Oh, so cute. This one is so cute. This is the English Bay beach. This is Didi. Wow.
See, Payagama beach where you will get to see the mountains on the right, and then the
Mountains and the beach.
and then the greenery.
Wow. This is a map of Stanley Park. It's so huge.
So where we are here, we are here right now. So we came here to Canada Place, either waterfront station hai. Then we walked here fully. Then we walked here, we saw the Westin which you loved. And then we walked here. Then we went to actually Bayshore Drive, which is this street.
Fatty's favorite street.
Yeah, so we came up from here and came like this and then walked
Denman
across
Street.
Denman to come
Now
from the
we're-
east to west English Bay.
English Bay. Very nice. Wow, I'm at the beach. I love this beach. This is so good. I love this beach.
Temptation of golf.
Very nice beach. I love English Bay. English Bay beach is so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm so happy to be here. I'll show you the sunset. It's almost gone. Wow. So pretty. Wow. So this is what the view looks like, and it is so gorgeous. We came here for the sunset and I'm in love with this place. It's too good.
A little while later.
So cool here, drinking stations. We can drink our water, fill our water and drink it. So we filled our water. Gelato shop we're going to. This is Didi's favorite. Didi loves gelato. So we're going to a gelato shop. Because apparently gelato has less grams of sugar. Interesting.
You think we'll share a scoop?
Yes.
We'll take a cup or a cone?
Cone.
Cone? Okay.
Can we try something too?
Huh?
Can we try as well?
Try, matlab, yeah, of course you can.
This tastes like Ferrero Rocher. This is a gelato of Kinder Bueno. This is the flavor I got. And it tastes exactly like Ferrero Rocher and I love it.
Yeah, it's similar to.
At this bus stop, every symbol here which has this T is a bus stop, and we're waiting for a bus and we're gonna go for a Vancouver Film Festival now. Our bus stop is right in front of this Bombay Kitchen and Bar. This is our bus stop and this is the Bombay Kitchen and Bar. It is so coincidental. I mean, look, Bombay Kitchen and Bar.
Wow.
Yeah.
We took a seat in the middle because I forgot my spectacles, so it's better to take a seat in the middle where I can see the movie rather than all the way in the back. Are you all excited?
Yeah. I'm just worried how we see.
Satyajit, what do you think of upcoming Satyajit movie you're going to see?
The first movie.
First Satyajit movie? Satyajit watching a Satyajit Ray movie.